Beauty uses of baking soda. Did you know that this ingredient, which you probably have in your kitchen, can do wonders for your hair, skin, nails, and teeth? Namely, baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is an alkaline substance that is a powerful antifungal, antibacterial, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory agent. Here's a list of the best 8 beauty uses of baking soda. 1. Body exfoliation. Baking soda will remove all the dead skin cells from your body and speed up their regrowth. Just take a suitable container and fill it in with 3 parts of baking soda, 1 part of water, and 25 drops of essential oil. Then, use this mixture to gently exfoliate your skin by rubbing it in a circular motion. 2. Face exfoliation. You can also use baking soda for face exfoliation, which will have the same effect as in the first use. It is especially beneficial for sensitive skin, which can be easily irritated. All you need to do is mix 3/4 of baking soda and 1/4 of water and make a paste. Next, massage your face with it in a circular motion. 3. Treating burns. This use is extremely helpful in treating sunburns. Baking soda will reduce the heat and pain and will allow fast renewal of skin cells. Prepare a coating for soothing burns by mixing 2 teaspoons of baking soda with 1 liter of water. Next, take a clean cloth and soak it in this mixture. Then, apply directly to the affected area and remove it as soon as it dries and becomes warm. 4. Shampoo for oily hair. If your hair becomes oily very quickly, or you excessively use hair styling products, the following baking soda shampoo is perfect for you. The baking soda will eliminate any debris from your hair, and it will make it soft and smooth. While you shower, put a shampoo that you already use in your hand and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Use this mixture to wash your hair as you usually do. 5. Remove dandruff. The white flakes from your hair and scalp can be removed easily by using baking soda due to its alkaline state, which will balance the pH level of your hair. All you need to do is take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and rub it on wet scalp and hair. Then, leave it to act for a minute and rinse with water as usual. Repeat the procedure once a week. 6. Teeth whitener. Baking soda is a mild abrasive which will remove the yellowish stains from your teeth and provide a pearly shine. This usage is very simple. Just sprinkle a little bit of baking soda on your toothbrush together with your regular toothpaste and brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Repeat this once a day for several days. 7. Pedicure treatment. You can prepare your own relaxing pedicure treatment and avoid spending money on salon treatments. Just fill a basin with hot water and add 2 to 3 teaspoons of baking soda and stir well. You can also add some lavender essential oil to boost the relaxing properties of this treatment. Then, soak your feet for 20 minutes and exfoliate using the same paste as for the face exfoliation. 8. Natural deodorant. You can use baking soda as an alternative to commercial deodorants because it has the ability to absorb moisture and sweat from the skin. Just mix 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of water, and a couple of drops of essential oil. Then, using a cotton ball, apply the mixture on your underarms or any other area where excessive sweat occurs. Now that you know the best beauty uses of baking soda, you don't have to spend any more money on commercial beauty products which can contain chemicals. Enjoy!